In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cognito user pool without federation or multi-factor authentication. On the console home page, click Cognito. Pricing. It's basically free under 50,000 monthly active users. Once you go over that, you have to pay a small amount per user. Click Create User Pool. Step 1, configure sign-in experience. Provider types. Ensure Cognito User Pool is checked. Pool sign-in options. Check username, email. Notice the warning at the bottom that says Cognito User Pool sign-in options can't be changed after the user pool has been created. Step 2, configure security requirements. Password policy mode. Select Cognito defaults. Scroll down, multi-factor authentication, select no MFA, user account recovery, check self-service account recovery, or the selection that says enable. Delivery method, select email only, click next. Step 3, configure sign-up experience. Self-service sign-up, check enable self-registration. Scroll down, Cognito assisted verification, automatically send. Select don't automatically send messages. Required attributes, by default you have the email address. Under additional required attributes, click the triangle. Here you can see the additional required attributes that you can select. Now these are created for the user, each user, when the account is created. And if you notice at the bottom it says required attributes can't be changed once this user pool has been created, and that means that when the accounts are created, let's say automatically, these are the attributes that each user account will have. You can always add these manually after, but you would have to do that per user. Click next. Step 4, configure message delivery. Email provider, select send email with Cognito. And notice I've highlighted below, if you choose send email with SES, you must have a verified sender. I have another video that shows you how to do that. Also notice that SES is region specific. Click next. Step 5, integrate your app. User pool name, enter a name. Notice the warning, your user pool name can't be changed once this user pool is created. Scroll down, initial app client, app type, select public client, app client name, select the name, client secret, select don't generate a client secret. Notice the warning, you cannot change or remove a client secret after you allow Amazon Cognito to generate it for your app client, but we're not selecting that option. Scroll down, attribute read and write permissions, click the red triangle. Here you can see the permissions. If you want the user to be able to change the value after the account has been created and the value has been set, ensure that the check box under write for that attribute is checked. Click next. Step 6, review and create. So since we've been through all of these screens, I'm going to quickly roll through these. Click Create User Pool. And if you've gotten this far, you should have a new user pool. And by default, there are no users. You'd have to add them. That's next.